Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Bliss. I'm back, boo. So today's video is going to be a super short review of this particular product that I purchased. And y'all, hey girl, hey, I love it a lot. So today's video is all about the anojou. I think that's how you pronounce it, Anjou. Basically, this is nothing other than the most best water dental flosser there is, y'all. So this just came in the mail the other day, so I am opening it up for the very first time on today. So I must admit, I love the packaging. I have actually pulled out the water flosser itself, y'all. It turned out to be way bigger than your girl expected, but it's all good. I can still work with that. By the way, if you love water flossing, thumbs up this video and leave your girl a comment down in the comment section below. So anyway, this is what it looks like, you guys. I love that the water tank part of it is big and it can hold quite a bit of water there. So I'm feeling that a whole lot. Okay, so everything that's in this particular box, just the FYI for you guys, you have the actual oral irrigator. I can't even talk. Irrigator. You also have 4 nozzles, 1 charging cable, 1 travel pouch, and 1 user guide. Okay, so I love that this thing here does not run by batteries. All I have to do is plug it into the wall for it to charge. So that's a plus for me in my book. This thing is amazing, y'all. It has 3 settings. So you can set it to the normal setting. You can set it to soft, or you can do the pulse setting, which is absolutely amazing. But I must admit, my favorite is the first option, the normal setting, because it just gives me a lot more power, a lot more blast of water in between my teeth and under my gums and all that good stuff. So those are the 4 nozzles in the packet. Okay, there's the cord that I told you guys about. So you just hook it into the radiator and you can just plug it right into your other electronics, or you can plug it into the wall. So whatever works for you. So I'm feeling it. Anyway, I'm going to move forward, put this thing together. There it is. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So in the back, you can just kind of pull the lever down and then fill it up with water and all of that good stuff. So how to use this thing is simple. Again, there's the little thing I was telling you about. Pull that open and then you can just hold it under the sink, or you can use bottled water, fill it up. Then you're going to put your nozzle right there at the top. That button that you see me press is the power button, which is cool. And then bam, you good to go. So yes, you guys, that includes today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Smooches. Mwah.